I just want to say how strong you are, man. Yeah, thanks, man. There were some dark times, but I hope it gets better. Because anyone doing what you've been doing, posting all day and getting no clients, I mean, anyone doing that, getting nothing back, anyone else under those circumstances, I mean, appreciate that. Boop. They'd have dipped out a long time ago. I mean, people say just keep on swimming, but Dory would have given up a long time ago, bro.
Thanks.
But not you.
I mean, I guess.
Because anyone else would have realized my life sucks.
Close to the line right now.
Nothing's working. But you keep going because you're stubborn.
It's a lot.
Like a mule. And you say, nah, I identify with my life. I mean, I look at your life objectively and I think it must absolutely suck. Like there must be a better way to get clients. But yeah, you keep doing the same thing over and over again.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, when God was building you up, he was like, hold on. I'm gonna one up. He's gonna have a tough time. I mean, this is all from love, bro. I mean, you gotta look at the strategy. I mean, nothing's working. Bro, it's
It's not that bad.
yeah, you keep showing up for more. And I respect that about you. Cause you're stupid, bro. You're like a calcified, thick piece of meat.
Okay.
And you just keep posting.
Yeah.
Day in, day out. Nothing coming back. You're just plunging.
I got it.
You're just
Bro, can you stop? Can you
plunging your way through life.
struggle?
Despite the knowledge that nothing is working. And bro, I was talking to your girlfriend the other day,
Katie?
and I was like, you know, how's it going with Craig?
What did she say?
And she looked at me and she said, F him.
I know she loves me.
You still care for her even though she openly rejects you. Do you get what I'm saying? I mean,
You're way out of line here.
you're a big,
Bro,
stupid, stubborn,
bro.
goon oaf.
Can we just move on, okay?
I get it, you're trying to compliment me. I appreciate that. Can we move on? I mean, even after that, I mean, in that moment, anyone else would have told me to go f myself, but not you! You stay here with me, screaming at you like this.